Ah, 110 volt photocell. What can we do with this? I got a light. Maybe that's a nice idea. Make it solar power. The photocell, that's these two wires. They have to be taken out of the picture. And just take all the blacks and all the whites and just bring it down. So now everything will work 100%. Off for 3 volts. But down below, we got to do one more modification. Just find the wires for these two, they're the thicker ones, and separate them off. So these are your load for the light, your positive, your negative for the light, your neutral. These are 110 volts. They won't light up under 3 volts DC. These bulbs will. And all you got to do is just put in these little bulbs. And repeat for the other two. So we take it apart. We have the photocell separated. It's a white, black, and red. We got all the loads and the neutral. I got myself my special LED wire that I'm going to snake through and hook up my neutral, which is my negative, and my red, which is my load, my positive. I made sure, like I said, I change out the 110s for 3 volts, and I want to test this out. So I got a 3.6 volt, 3.7 volt battery. There we go. That works just fine. You see this light here? All I got to do is just hook it up to there, the battery extra. Find a way to put that solar panel on top. This is the plan. This cover is going to come off. It's going to go on top right here. And that is it. Oh, look at that. Everything's all done. I wired up. I glued. And all I got to do is just put this on. Screw it down. I could put a little tape on there. Makes no difference if it's just covered up. And we'll do that right now. Put a little tape over it. Doesn't hurt. There's the hole. Covered up. And just spin it. Spin it till it locks into place. Let the sun hit it for all day. Turn it on. One. Come back in the evening hours and show you what it looks like. But there you are. Testing it out. All right, we got modifications to the solar polar lantern, I'm calling it. And there we have it. All hooked up, all set up. And the other ones are hooked up to the roof on a 3 volt battery that's ran at the end over there. If I need to tie this into the existing one, I can do so. I want to keep it separate. It's a little bit brighter than the other. And then I could modify that into those to make it a little brighter. We'll show you what it looks like in the evening hours. So there's the lights. It's all done. It's on. You can see all 3 lights lit up. They manually turn on. Automatic may be an issue with the battery. But there you have it. That's the project. It's all over. Wait for a little later. Hook it up to the existing lamp. And then come on and off all together correctly at the right time. What I want. So if you're looking to do one of these projects, they're not that hard to do. Put them anywhere you want. Have a great day. Enjoy your pole lantern light and kit.